What I found in the clearance section, some Pure Boost goes. So that was a bummer. We pretty much didn't find anything. I think that's the first time I've ever got to that Nike outlet without buying anything. So kind of a bummer. We've always found something here, but the primary reason we did come to this outlet is because Adidas is having a 50% off everything sale. So yeah, let's go check them out. Let's go check them out. There's that additional 50% off store wide. Go find something. Okay, I'm primarily here for the Boost, and they don't have that many Boosts. Size 18s for these. Don't really have much else in terms of Boost. Let's see what we can find. Try other sections. A bunch of non-Boost, which means nothing. Means can't do it. Oh, wait, okay, we got. Oh. I was gonna say we got something, Rising Stars, kind of the NMDs, but they're 50% off, but off for $150. Usually you can find better deals than that. Find way better deals. You know, some of the old school. Some of the old schools. Stance. That's a Stance Mets. No, nothing yet. Okay, we got some superstars for pretty expensive. $40 actually. Oh wait, $40. That's actually really good for superstars. They got a few different colors. So you got the what is it? The 5923s. Oh, for $30. Oh, I'm sorry. For $69.97. So half of that's what? $35. Oh wait, this one is 130. So the size is, I guess it really depends on the style. Big difference in price. That's some non-Boost stuff. I'm gonna have to look at that. Got it in white. That's 120 though. 120 plus 50% off. Got the crazies. Oh, we're gonna have to look at these. We'll have to look at these. Tens, $35. The material does feel kind of cheap though. Let's try it on foot. So I did try these on for $35. $35. Gotta get them. Let's look around for some more stuff. Let's check out the clearance section. See if they got anything. Size 10s. Oh, look at this crazy color. Look at this crazy color right here. 13s. Some hardened size 9. $50. That's a steal right there. It's a steal. Some NMD size 6. $100. Plus 50% off. Do not see anything else my size. Nothing else my size. Nothing. Oh wait, Pure Boost. Weird color. Oh, these are the DPRs though. DPRs, not a fan of the DPRs. Okay, this is the last little section here. Got some, I have no clue what those are called. Buzz. No clue what these are. Let's see what else. There's 7, this for 70s, the bounce. Mess with those. Doesn't look like they got much. Let's go check out the women's section. The women's Boost section got a little something there. Got these for what? $45? Oh my goodness, that's cheap. 90 plus 50% off. Pure Boost Pro is one of my favorites. Super cheap. Solar Boost for what? $50. Solar Drive for $35. Solar Boost, $50. $50. And I think Boost. Oh, we got some Boost over here. Some Boost for the women. Solar glides. $50. Solar glides. Oh, those are not Boosts. Not Boosts. I think that's pretty much it with all the Boosts. Those are the only shoes that I really like at Adidas. Women, check out the clearance section. There's more Solar Boosts. That's some marathons for 60. Marathons for $60. That's about it. Let's check out some apparel. See these hoodies, Adidas hoodies. Actually, only what are they going for? $40, dude. $40 plus an additional 50% off. So $20, dude. $20. Definitely gonna have to get one of these. Okay, now I'm checking out some shorts, some fleece shorts. Fleece shorts. They have mediums all the way to extra larges, or double XLs actually. I'm sorry, double XLs. But check out the price. $25 plus 50% off. That comes out to a whopping $12.50. That's just a steal. Definitely gonna have to get one of these. Got some shirts. Oh, I kind of like these. Adidas LA. Let's check out the price. $14. Still really good. They just got the regular Adidas ones. But I do like the one that wraps LA since it's pretty much where we live. Let's check out this one, see if they got different price tag on them. Nope, $28. Yikes, just dropped one of those. Yikes, mess up their system. Oh shit. There you go. We're good. Yeah, look at that. Look what I found in the clearance section. Some Pure Boost goes. These are one of my favorite Pure Boosts. Like a Seahawks colorway or something. I don't know. Let's see. See if I get them.
I have a diamond. No.
So those don't even have a price tag on it. So we're gonna have to try to get a price check, see how much those are going for, before I make a decision on whether we get them or not. So we ended up coming out $100. Got 2 pair of shoes, a pair of shorts, as well as a hoodie for $100, dude. That's plus after tax, man. That's just a steal. And now time to go to. We're not really going to Tejons. It's like a Planet Smoothie at Tejons. Apparently my kid loves the smoothies here, so time for a smoothie. Okay, look at these, man. Please do not waste your money on these things. Oh, they do have the infrareds. That's was that the Yeezy Glows? But do not waste your money on these. Freaking $5 a try, dude. $5 a try, and you will not win. They are programmed to only give out certain number of items, so per hour, per 1,000 hits or whatever. So I guarantee you will not win one of these. Yeah, this one too. Look, Keymasters. Yeah, you will not win. Please don't waste your money. But look, they got the Concords, got the 4s, 4 breads, got the I don't know which Yeezy that is. And they got some white ones, the Glows, the Tinkers. They got the shoot, I don't remember which one those are. A couple of ones, a few ones, and yeah, don't waste your money. Don't waste your money. Just some friendly advice. Let's go check out some more stuff.